In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Mailto link in the footer of your Shopify store. If you're aiming to enhance user interaction on your website, integrating a Mailto link is a fantastic way to make it easy for visitors to get in touch with you, right from your store's footer. So let's dive into the process. First, you'll need to head over to your Shopify admin homepage. This is the central hub for managing all your store settings, so make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the home page, your next step is to direct your attention to the Content section. Clicking on Content will open up a new set of options where you'll manage everything related to this aspect of your site. Now that you've clicked on Content, search for the Menus option. Menus are essentially the navigational structure of your site, and adding a Mailto link to your footer menu will make this communication option seamlessly integrated into your store. On locating Menus, give it a click. With menus now on your screen, you'll want to find the footer menu option. The footer is a strategic area on your site, as it's visible on every page, making it an ideal spot for a Mailto link. Clicking on Footer menu will open up the current layout and existing links in your footer. Next, it's time to add a new menu item. This is where the magic happens. Look for the option that says Add Menu Item and select it. This will allow you to insert a new link that will redirect users to their preferred email client with a single click. You'll need to fill in the label for this new menu item. This label is essentially the clickable text your visitors will see. It should be something clear and inviting. Think along the lines of "Contact us" or "Email us." Once you've decided on the label, type it in. Finally, don't forget to hit the Save button. Saving your changes is crucial to ensure that the new Mailto link is activated and functional on your site's footer. And there you have it. You've successfully added a Mailto link to your Shopify store's footer. This feature can significantly enhance user experience by making customer engagement straightforward. Remember, a functional footer is a powerful tool, often overlooked, where simple elements like a Mailto link can transform the way you interact with your audience. Thanks for tuning in today. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips on optimizing your Shopify store.